Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Varsha Bharti. So today we are going to learn about the promotional campaigns for major brands for class TY BAMMC, semester 6, module 3, and the subject is advertising and sales promotion. First of all, we will understand what is consumer loyalty or customer loyalty program. Now, whenever we talk about loyalty programs, these are organized for different kinds of consumers who are very well versed about their brands and about the products which they use, what kind of services they get from the brand. These type of programs are organized just to make good relationship with our consumers, so they repeatedly buy our products and increase the sales of the brand. A customer loyalty program is a marketing approach that recognizes and rewards customers who purchase or engage with a brand on a recurring basis. A company may dole out points of perks and graduate customers to higher levels of loyalty the more they buy. जैसे जैसे वो लोग प्रोडक्ट्स ज़्यादा बाय करते जाएंगे, उनको पॉइंट्स मिलते जाएंगे, दे विल अर्न द पॉइंट्स एंड देन दे कैन गेट अ हैम्पर और अ गुडी और दे कैन गेट several perks of that particular brand. These incentives and specific benefits often result in the customer being a more regular consumer on an ideal, a brand promoter. अब जो ये customer है, it will become regular customer, then it will promote the brand. So it is nothing but a brand promoter of our brand. Benefits may involve free merchandise, rewards, coupons and insider perks like early access to new products. Now who all are the members of that club or that particular campaign? They will get several kind of perks like free merchandise such as mug, t-shirts, pen, several kinds of merchandise, whatever that brand is feasible or viable with. Second is rewards, then coupons, offers, and also perks of getting early access to new products. Now first of all, we will understand what are the three loyalty programs, one of each. First we will understand FMGC. FMGC का एक loyalty program देखेंगे, consumer durable products का एक loyalty program देखेंगे, and the last is service. So first is FMGC. FMGC is nothing but fast moving consumer goods. So the best example I can get you is Nestle. So the Nestle offers excellent loyalty programs for the members or the people who are consumers who are using Nestle brand. They have this wide range of activities for registering an account. Now when you register the account, what you get is the benefits and perks of being the account member of the Nestle family. When you accumulate all these points, you can redeem it and get Nestle goodies against it, and 6,000 loyalty programs is equals to 1 Nestle goodie pack. So the facility also they provide is my account page. So on that page you can calculate or you can get the number of points which you have collected. Also when you create an account, register your account, you have to do several activities like rating articles, giving good ratings of their products and services, referring your friends. These are the activities that you do to gain the points and then you can get a goodie against that. So this was the example of FMGC in loyalty program. Next we will understand consumer loyalty program in consumer durable goods. The best example is IKEA, the family IKEA club. So this IKEA brand has two kinds of loyalty program. First is club, second is family. They consider everyone a family who purchase the products of IKEA, and they have a club in which you can become the member of IKEA. So when you become the member, you get several perks, discounts, offers, free workshops, exclusive previews, exciting food offers and so much more. So this IKEA brand is for someone who is very much interested in home decor, who wants to learn how to decorate their home, who are new to it, who are starting out and need a helping hand. So this club helps them to get all the things get done for their home, to make their home more beautiful and more next, these are the photos of IKEA. This is the IKEA store and this is the family arranging IKEA product. So next we will learn about the service of customer loyalty program. So there is this brand Citibank. So this program, this brand Citibank organized a thank you program for their customers. So whenever in that campaign they gave several services like they can use ATMs, mobile apps, checking account. Customers were enabled to get the liberty to redeem these points. So whenever you earn the point at a certain average point, you can redeem that points and you can get free travel, and you can avail yourselves many offers such as going to theaters, malls, or on particular brands you will get a quite good amount of discount and offer using that particular ATM card. Next is 3 consumer oriented sales promotion program. पहले हमने पढ़ा loyalty program, अभी हम पढ़ेंगे consumer oriented sales promotion program. इसमें भी हम लोग 3 types के पढ़ेंगे. First is FMGC, second is consumer durable and third is service. Each one example. So what is 3 consumer oriented sales is? ऐसा sales जो consumer को attract करके हमको हमारे organization में gain करना है. So each one of is FMGC, consumer durable and service. Consumer oriented promotion tools are aimed at increasing sales to exciting consumers and to attract new consumers to the firm. It is also called as pull strategy, which we have learned in second module. FMGC में एक बढ़िया एग्जाम्पल है, that is buy one get one free. Whenever we visit stores, we get to see this kind of offer for talcum powder, buy one and get one free. So it is nothing but if you see the making cost of a product in talcum powder, it is on an average around 90 rupees. So they are giving us an offer to buy 2 packs of talcum powder of rupees 300. इसमें ना तो उनका कुछ नुकसान है, but also they are getting a profit margin out of this, and also they are attracting the consumers to buy that particular product. Now I am not pinpointing any product, but it is considered that average cost for making a talcum powder is rupees 90. So next example for FMGC is free samples. फ्री सैम्पल्स हमको किस में मिलता है? डिटर्जेंट पैक्स में मिलता है, सोप्स में मिलता है एंड सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स में मिलता है. सो व्हेन द कोको कोला गेव अस अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट of their product outline is energy drink, so they distributed free samples for attracting the consumers, for pulling the consumers. So the next is consumer durable in sales oriented promotion. First example is jewelry store of Tanishq. They launched an offer that is gold coin offer. So the offer was when you purchase a gold coin of 10 grams or 20 grams, it will take a particular cost of making cost of it, but whenever you go to the shop, the price will be the same and it won't change for a longer period of time. Next is Vijay Sales Hello Summer offer. So Vijay Sales started this offer for summer time. They gave up to 40% off on all the products which they were selling at their store. So the next is service. Service is nothing but a service kind of a brand which provides us services which we can feel or which can satisfy our feelings. So the first is example is Netflix. Netflix ने हमको एक ऐसा ऑफर दिया जिसमें हम लोग 1 month फ्री ट्रायल यूज़ कर सकते हैं and then we can go for 3 months or 1 month पैक for continuing the membership. पहला Netflix का था, it was for minimum 3 months. But now again they have gave us an opportunity to use the account for rupees just 200 for a individual user. These are the different activities which they do to make customers loyal and attract them to become our loyal customers. Next example is एडलैब्स इमेजिका अम्यूजमेंट पार्क. सो सर्विस में ये भी एक अच्छा ऑफर हम लोग बता सकते हैं, दैट इज बाय एग्जाम्स ऑफर. इमेजिका हैज सेवरल काइंड्स ऑफ ऑफर्स सच एज फैमिली पैक ऑफर, summer time offer. They offer us combo pack, Adlabs Imagica and Aqua Imagica. So these are nothing but all kinds of activities which they conduct to attract the audience so that they come and they visit the amusement park. So this is all about consumer oriented sales promotion. In next video we will understand about trade oriented sales promotion. Thank you.